Hi, everyone, and thank you for coming to our presentation on our Christmas gift wrapping business that we are embarking on right now. So our business model is focused on gift services that customers can either drop off to our location, or we also offer a mobile gift service that we can go to their home if they prefer that. Wrapping supplies will be either provided by the company, or we can use the customer's materials as well. And then pricing is either per hour or per gift, and we'll go over that later. So here you see that our pricing is $20 per hour. That includes 5 to 15 gifts, and of course that is determined by the size. Or they can opt for the pricing option of $40 for up to 30 gifts of all sizes, and then additional gifts on top of that 30 would be $1 per gift. Or if they have large items, say they want to wrap a refrigerator or a car or something massive, they can give us a call for a quote. The supplies that are needed are obviously just the generic basic wrapping paper, ribbon, and tape. There are, of course, two options. The first would be that the customer provides the supplies, meaning that they want a particular style, color, or whatnot. And then the second option would be that business provides the supplies, and then that would be at an extra cost. In fact, there would be a 10% markup over actual cost of supply so that we generate some revenue there. Marketing thus far has been on Facebook, doing either community pages, personal, church, or small business pages. Operations, let's see, probably can't see that very well. Operations, basically what the gist of it is that the customer drops off the gifts or schedules a time for us to come over to their home. We wrap and decorate their gifts, and then we deliver them back to the customer, or we are finished at their home. Invoicing is half down at time of contract and then half at delivery and when the customer is satisfied. Key activity is that we are soliciting awareness on social media and then providing creative and appealing gift wrapping options for those with little time to do it for themselves. Now, our current investment is that we have 0 out-of-pocket costs, 0 marketing costs, and 0 profits to date. We also have 0 financial losses, which, as you know, doesn't sound very good. So at this point, we are at a 0. So that is a failure, and under current conditions, we realize that we are not progressing. Our intent is that we will increase our media and our marketing campaign by adding Google and Facebook ads, which would obviously incur some financial responsibility, and potentially expand our pricing options through some market segment research. In conclusion, we feel that the financial investments in our marketing campaigns will allow our company to grow. The next 3 weeks are vital to growth and brand awareness. Most families are currently purchasing gifts in preparation for Christmas and other holidays, and they don't usually budget time to wrap those gifts. Getting our service in front of more customers will allow us to capitalize on this highly profitable time of year. Thank you again for taking the time to allow me to share our idea with you and your investment team.